banana. Big banana, big banana. C is for clock, the clever clock, cool clock, say clock. D is for dragon, do the daring dragon, do the dazzling dragon, D dragon. E is for eggplant, the exciting eggplant, the elegant eggplant, E eggplant. F is for fox, funny fox, fantastic fox, F fox. G is for gold, glittering gold, glowing gold, G gold. H is for honey, a happy honey, healthy honey, H honey. I is for ice cream, icy ice cream, interesting ice cream, ice cream. J is for jellyfish, jiggly fish, joyful jellyfish, J jellyfish. K is for koala, kind koala, keen koala, K koala. L is for lamp, the light lamp, the lovely lamp, lamp. M is for mango, magical mango, a merry mango, mango. N is for night, nice night, a neat night, night. O is for octopus, outstanding octopus, oval octopus, octopus. P is for penguin, playful penguin, prancing penguin, P penguin. Q is for questions, quick questions, quiet question, Q questions. R is for robot, roaming robot, rated robot, robot. S is for star, shining star, terrific tree, T tree, terrific tree, T tree. U is for unicorn, unique unicorn, a unicorn, unicorn. V is for van, the violet van, the vibrant van, V van. W is for watermelon, the wonderful watermelon, the wavy watermelon, the booey watermelon. X is for X-ray, extra X-ray,